Hello everyone. As a favor to my mom, I'll be doing an unboxing for this new camera that I bought for the purposes of travel and vacation pictures in general. So as you can all see, it's a Sony camera. It's called the ZV-E10 camera. It's one of their newer models. I believe it was released 2019 or so, or 2022. Not too sure. As you can see here, these are the specs for it. We just got it today. I specifically bought it because this family is going on vacation, not on the same day though. So yeah. While at the store, I also decided to buy a 128 gigabyte storage device, because generally speaking, this camera is specifically for vloggers and people taking a lot of videos during the vacation. It's great for pictures as well, don't get me wrong. So just the manual and everything else, I'm honestly gonna need to read over this later. Don't expect my mom to read it. So yes, just the equipment relating to the camera. What we have here is the harness. This is the charger, and this is an extra battery pack or so. As you can all see, they're still in the plastic bag. They're all brand new. Only the best for this family, as it turns out. Also very pricey. And the reason I bought this camera specifically is because of how compact it is. As you can all see, this one already comes with a lens or so. Going back to how compact the camera is, it's really great. It comes with a lot of very intuitive systems. It's great for beginner cameras, which is why I bought it, for travel and simple taking vlogs, taking pictures, and taking a lot of really interesting ideas as well. So these are the specifications for the camera lens. Honestly, it's our first time opening it, so I'm not going to turn it on. It's an
Where's the battery?
unboxing for it, so yes, I'm not going to turn it on. Yeah, there we go. I'm sure my mom's going to post a bit more videos about this and how to figure how to turn it on and everything, but that's pretty much it for me. Yes.
Thank you, son, for buying that camera.
Very expensive. I don't like spending money.
But for the sake of mom, you love me.
No.
Thanks, son.